Hi guys and welcome to the Auto Loons channel. Today we're doing a small car, small review. Right here is the Hot Wheels Delorean DMC factory fresh. This particular car was made sort of immortalized in pop culture thanks to it being the time traveling car from Back to the Future, the movie series, and then revived in Ready Player One as the protagonist's winning car for Mega Race. Now we're looking at the factory fresh version. Like, this is what it pretty much looked like, no mods, when you bought it back in the 1980s. Now this car was produced by a company called Delorean Motor Company, and it was called the DMC Delorean. What it was for the time was a two-door sports car, rear-engined, rear-wheel drive, and with gull-wing door. This is the factory fresh version. It was powered. It wasn't really a powerful sports car for its time. I mean, we had plenty of fast cars around, but this was powered by a 2.9 liter V6, but only produced like 130 horsepower and like just over 200 newton meters of torque, which isn't much by today's standards for an engine that size. But that's pretty much about the car. And about the model. This is a Hot Wheels model, I think 2000, very old edition. I just happened to find it in my local store. We like to collect factory fresh versions of various items, like completely unmodified, nothing to do from the movie or in terms of any decals. It's in the factory gray finish. It has those iconic tail lamps, the engine cover, and of course that profile. As you can see, this is from the 2009 series, you could say. That's the exact model, and even the underbody detailing is decent. I mean, obviously nothing compared to the high-end bigger models, but for its size it had plenty decent detailing. And I love that it's completely stock. It has no decals, nothing fancy, and you can enjoy the original design, as minimalistic as it was, and yet futuristic at the time. So you can see it has those indents of where the gull-wing door hinges would be for it to open upwards, like so. So you can get a clear shot of the interior. It has just the two seats, the two-door, two-seater. The console. Again, not a whole lot of detail in this scale size, but still plenty to work with given for the price. So yeah, a pretty decent collectible, but collecting dust as well. But yeah, not bad at all for maybe like 100 rupees. So yeah, that's the Delorean DMC Hot Wheels factory fresh.